Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to sell on the marketplace on Spreadshirt. We're going to be going through a full tutorial here, so let's go ahead and get started. Obviously, the first thing that you have to do is you got to go to Spreadshirt.com and click Sell on the Marketplace. To get to this page, all you have to do is click this Start Selling button. Click on the Sell on the Marketplace button. You'll be creating an account, and then you'll have your dashboard, your front end dashboard. Let's go through the dashboard and let's talk about the different options and different buttons that you can click so you can go through to build your account. So the first thing here is your dashboard. Of course, you're going to have your sales. You're going to have what level you are as an account, how many images or how many designs you can upload, or your publishing limit. You're going to have your starter designs. Of course, you're going to have some tips, some tricks. They're going to ask you to, for different events that you can, locate on Facebook that have to do with Spreadshirt. And of course, there's other aspects, right? You have your blog around Spreadshirt. It shows analytics, so I can click over here and see some different analytics around Spreadshirt. And of course, since this is a brand new account, it says, unfortunately, you did not sell enough last year. Of course, like I said, this is a brand new account. I believe I created 1 or 2 designs on this account last year or the year before, something like that, as a tutorial. So let me go ahead and show you this account, this demo account here, so we can go ahead and continue. We have a section here called the design section, and this is where you're going to be doing your uploading. You could see I have 2 designs currently uploaded. One is published and one is not published. You can see here it says published with a little rocket symbol, and then this one says not published yet with a little star symbol. Now, if we want to view different images that are published, we just simply click on the design, click the preview button, and we can select what marketplace it's previewable on. So here I have the USA Marketplace, right? It's a sticker, unbroken superhero sticker. You can see there's different templates or different looks, different mock-ups, if you will, for the image. And you could buy the product in different type of variations. You have transparent, glossy, etc. And you also have that available in different products. So you have the men's products, the women's, the kids, babies, accessories, home and living, and then finally your stickers. So there's different categories that your design is going to be printed on. Well, how do you make sure that your design is printed on all products? Well, that's through the upload process. So let me take you to the product that's not published yet so I can show you how that actually works. So what you want to do is you hit this little pencil button, which is the edit button, and you're going to go over here and select all products. And you could actually see where your graphic is going to be printed on what products and reasons as to why it cannot be printed on certain products. So for example, if I click on these products, I can enable certain products. And of course, sometimes the graphic could either be way too big or way too small that will cause certain issues with the type of products it's printed on. And speaking of these issues, you see here on the left-hand side, this little unavailable button or this little warning button. And if you read what it says unavailable. Your design is not fit for poster printing. Our templates will help you adjust the format. So if I was to scroll down and look for where these posters are or where these details are, I could, for the different products that it's not fitting on, I could go through and actually find them. So if I scroll all the way down here, you'll see the products that it's not available on. And it's up to you to determine if you're happy, satisfied, or you're not satisfied with the product. You can sit here and toggle the different products and toggle the different sizes of images, so that it could fit for as many or all products as possible. So for example, if I look at this and I say, you know what, I want my design to be on a kid's baseball cap, I can turn this on, right? I can turn this on, I can turn this on, I can click on it. Just simply clicking will allow it to be enabled, okay? Let's go ahead and scroll all the way to the top here. If I select all, right, I can essentially enable all that are already available to me or allowed to be available to me. So that's pretty interesting as well. So you don't have to go through and click each and every individual one. If you want all of them enabled, you just simply click and enable all, and that's good. Select all, deselect all. Very simple, okay? You go over here, you select done, and now it's time to look at the different products. And once again, you can choose to remove one of the products. So let's say I don't want this one. I can delete it. I can remove it. Okay. Now, me personally, if it was up to me, every single image that I post, I want it to be available on all products. So I'll just select one of these products here, or excuse me, let me go back here. Let me hit cancel, select all products, and then enable all or select all, then select done, then select next. And this is the time where I'm able to enter now the name of the design, the description, and the tags. So let's get rid of what's already currently there. Okay, that might have been leftover work from before. And this is just a picture of I guess you can call this a Shiba Inu eating some ramen noodles. So I could say cute Shiba Inu eating ramen noodles. This is just simply an example. Okay. Okay. And once you type that in, then you can create a description. It says here, it appears that the link previews on Google, Facebook, and other channels as well are in the design details on your sales channels. An easy to read text of 130 to 160 characters that addresses your target group works best. So essentially what they're saying here is that when you're posting this link, you're sharing this link of this product to Facebook, to Google, things like that, your description is what's going to show on that description phase or the design details phase when it's being posted. Okay, so the description, you can feel free, add whatever you want in the description. They're saying 130 to 160 characters is the best. Here you have a character counter, so literally a character is a letter, okay, and you can type in the characters to reach about that amount. And then finally here we have tags. The tags are where you're going to simply describe what's in the image. So I might type in here ramen. I might type in here noodles. Okay, I might type cute. I might type Shiba, right? I might type Inu as an example. Okay, so these are different tags. And if I was to publish, I can absolutely publish without a description. Once again, it's recommended that you add one, but it's something that I can do. And this is finally like an overview of the design. So currently the design is in review. Okay, so designs are in review, especially, because this is a newer account, Spreadshirt Marketplace. It's in review. And we have the products that are currently enabled on it. And this is the metadata. The metadata, once again, includes your description and your tags. I can edit the description here, and I can say, cute Shiba Inu eating ramen noodles. Let me go ahead and fix that. Illustration. If you love Shiba Inus, then you will love this. Something simple. There are some tools that I use that create descriptions for me automatically, but this is just an example, okay? We're just focusing on Spreadshirt here. And then here we focus on the potential earnings per product. If we click here, Marketplace Earnings, it will actually show us and explain to us how much we could potentially earn per product, right? So here you have the marketplace earnings, and then you have external marketplaces. So it depends on where it's being sold, how it's being sold, but you get kind of the concept. If there's a visitor from the site, okay, that's going to buy the product, visitor from the site, you're probably going to make anywhere from these barriers of commissions. But let's go back here, okay, and let's take a look. Is there anything else we could do? Well, kind of there is. We have this upload another design button. So if we wanted to upload another design, we can go ahead and do so. You can see here in this section, it says that the design is currently in review. So once again, the design has to go through a review process, make sure that it's not infringing on any kind of trademarks or IPs, and then it can be published to the Spreadshirt website. Okay, let's head over to the next link here, which is our statistics. Now, of course, because our account is pretty much brand new, we're not going to have any statistics or any sales, but we have credit, we have sales, and we have our best sellers. I do like this feature within Spreadshirt because it does, or Spreadshirt rather, because it does provide information on what's the best selling, what's doing the best, things like that. It's a little bit more analytical than some other platforms are, which I really do favor that. Here's a section for some tools and tips. If you need some help, if you need some guidance, maybe some ideas, you can take a look at some of these essentially resources that you can click on. So for example, if I click on posters here, it will give me this blog article about them, some things that I could learn, and some different things about the format of the image, okay? So once again, those resources are there. And speaking of resources, once again, in the dashboard, you have these blog categories that you can potentially read if you believe they could potentially help you. And then finally here is the notifications section. So if a design was rejected or any kind of new sales or anything like that, it's all going to be appear here in your notifications. This is your showroom. Your showroom is essentially your profile dashboard. You could think of it to the public eye. So this is essentially mine. I can click visit showroom here. Once again, this is a new account. So all we have is this one product that shows the name here of the account, the image, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to this. Okay. We can go over here, right? Click on this little plus, and we have the ability to now open up a Spreadshirt. If you want to learn more about Spreadshirt, watch the next video. Click the link in the description. You'll be able to see that little series we got going on there with the Spreadshirt. I'll leave some video links in the description. You can check them out. That can help you become more successful with Spreadshirt. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon. And this is your Spreadshirt tutorial. All right? See you guys soon. Peace out. Bye.